Hello everyone, this is GQ Infinite, Textbook of General Knowledge and Aptitude, Standard 6th, Lesson number 4, The World of Birds. You are watching my channel Learn with Shirin Khazi. Come on, let's begin. Please watch the video till the end and read with me. Birds are different from all other animals of the world. Their bodies are covered with feathers except for the legs and feet, which are scaly. Their forelimbs are converted into wings. This is hint box. Here are the options and here are the questions. You have to write the answer with the help of this box. Kiwi, frigate birds, ostrich, vampire finch, vulture, penguins, spoonbills, toucan, ducks. Toucan uses its big colorful beak to fight rival males and to eat fruits and birds' eggs. Toucan drinks blood from the wings of other birds by poking them with its sharp teeth. Toucan, Toucan, toucan. Vampire finch and swans are all waterfowls with webbed feet and long supple neck for reaching down into water. Vampire finch, VAMPIRE, vampire finch, FINCH, finch. They are blind, so they hunt by smell. Ducks, DUCKS, ducks. Kiwi are Antarctica's most distinctive inhabitants. They can't fly and they waddle about on land. They are agile swimmers and they use their wings as flippers. Kiwi, KIWI, kiwi. Penguins is a large wading bird that paddles through swamps in the tropics, dragging its long spoon-shaped bill through the water from side to side. It feeds on shrimps and other small water creatures. Penguins, PENGUINS, penguins. It flies over the sea, chases other birds and forces them to drop their food. Spoonbills, SPOON, spoon, BILLS, bills, spoonbills. Frigate birds are mainly scavengers and they feed on animals that are dead or have been killed by other animals. Their strong claws and beaks are for tearing and carcasses apart. FRIGATE, frigate birds, BIRDS, birds. Vulture is found in Africa. It can grow up to the height of 2.5 meter. It can't fly, but it can run fast and its long legs can inflict a powerful kick. Vulture. 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 Ostrich bird was first domesticated by humans. Ostrich. 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 Let me read the spelling once more for you. Kiwi. 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 Frigate birds. frigate. Frigate birds. 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 Ostrich. 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 Vampire finch. vampire. Vampire. finch. Finch. Vulture. 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 Penguins. 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 Spoon bills. spoonbills. Spoonbills. Toucan. 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 Ducks. 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 So that was the end of the lesson 4, The World of Birds, Standard 6th GK. Please, if you like my videos, please give your comments